Hi friends, here the question is the mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 7.5 and 1.875. Then find p of x less than or equal to 1. Here given that the mean of a binomial distribution is 7.5. We know that mean of binomial distribution is calculated as NP equal to 7.5. This is the equation number 1. Now we have to given that variance of binomial distribution is 1.875. Variance of binomial distribution is calculated as sigma square equal to NP into 1 minus P equal to 1.875. From the above formula, NP equal to 7.5. Substitute NP as 7.5 into 1 minus P equal to 1.875. Thus, 1 minus P equal to 1.875 divided by 7.5. Thus, P equal to 1 minus 1.875 divided by 7.5 equal to 0.75. Now, we have to substitute P equal to 0.75 in equation 1. That is, NP equal to 7.5. Now, N into 0.75 equal to 7.5 implies N equal to 7.5 whole divided by 0.75 equal to 10. Now, we get N equal to 10 and P equal to 0.75. Thus, the binomial distribution formula is P of x equal to NCx into P raised to x into 1 minus P whole raised to n minus x equal to, here n is 10, Cx into P is 0.75 whole raised to x into 1 minus 0.75 whole raised to 10 minus x equal to 10 Cx into 0.75 whole raised to x into 1 minus 0.75 is 0.25 whole raised to 10 minus x. Now we have to find out the probability of x less than or equal to 1 equal to P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 equal to 10 C0 into 0.75 whole raised to 0 into 0.25 whole raised to 10 minus 0 plus 10 C1 into 0.75 raised to 1 into 0.25 raised to 10 minus 1 equal to 10 C0 is 1 into 0.75 raised to 0 is 1 into 0.25 raised to 10 is 0.000000953 plus 10C1 is 10 into 0.75 raised to 1 is 0.75 into 0.25 raised to 10 minus 1, 9 is 0.000003814 equal to 1 into 1 into 0.000000953 is 0.000000953 plus 10 into 0.75 into 0.000003814 is 0.000028605 equal to 0.000295558. It is approximately equal to 0.00003. Here, the question is, if the mean of a binomial distribution is 20 and the number of observations is 30, then find variance and standard deviation of a binomial distribution. Given that the mean of a binomial distribution, that is mu equal to np equal to 20 and number of observations is 30. Thus, np equal to 20, given that n equal to 30. Therefore, 30 into p equal to 20. P equal to 20 by 30 equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, we get n equal to 30 and p equal to 2 by 3. We know that variance of a binomial distribution is calculated as sigma square equal to n into p into 1 minus p equal to n is 30 into 2 by 3 into 1 minus 2 by 3 equal to 30 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 equal to 60 by 9. It is equal to 6.6667. It is approximately equal to 6.67. Now we have to find out the standard deviation of a binomial distribution. Sigma equal to root of n p into 1 minus p equal to root of n p into 1 minus p is 6.6667 equal to 2.5819888 and it is approximately equal to 2.58. Therefore, we get variance equal to 6.67 and standard deviation equal to 2.58.